guys, John here. Just want to give a quick shout out for our second channel, Kanto House. There we do a lot of home vlogs, tech content. I do a lot of guides on the Nintendo Switch 2, as well as house DIY setups, and Sarah also posts her cooking shorts on there. Please give us a subscribe. We're trying to grow the second channel. And yeah, thanks again for watching.
Alright, we just found these lockers. You just pay 400 yen and take the key, and then it actually fit like all of our Nintendo museum items. Yeah.
I have 200.
We just got off the station at Inari and we're gonna walk down the street and try and find some lunch right now. Looks like there are some food trucks here.
Honestly, that sounds kind of...
We just found another Komida's coffee. Alright, we decided to just get some tacos here at this cute little food truck.
Not traditional, but it's barely 91.
I want that too, the birria. Oh,
Yeah.
the quesadilla sounds good too though.
We can get that and the quesadilla.
Yeah.
Oh wait, it says please pay in cash.
We're probably gonna order something from here too, along with our tacos. Alright, we're gonna get the kebab roll and then that long potato cheese. This is the kebab roll. It's actually pretty big.
How much is that?
1,000 yen for this.
So $6? Yeah, look at these long potatoes.
This is the long potato with
Long
cheese.
potatoes. Wagyu beef quesadilla birria.
This is the birria. Yeah.
The birria.
Right, and then the quesadilla with cheese just came out. That looks good. How is it? That's just like cute mayonnaise.
Yeah, it's queso. I'll take
You want
it.
a spoon?
That's pretty good.
Yeah.
Mm.
I'm trying the quesadilla.
Quesadilla. Japanese cheese quesadilla. Wow. Alright, here's the only thing that's Japanese. The Wagyu birria.
It's gonna be
That looks pretty
messy.
good.
Yeah.
It's good.
Yeah. Honestly, if you're gonna do fusion, like Wagyu's it, dude.
Oh, it's hot.
Yeah.
Right, that's good.
Yeah? Taste the Wagyu?
Mm.
Nice. Alright, we're gonna eat up now and then head to the shrine.
We just got done with lunch and now we saw this ice cream. It's limited time menu of the Sakura Cherry
It's also a
Blossom.
mix.
Oh yeah, you can mix it. Ooh, you can get matcha.
Ooh, let's get the mix in that.
Oh.
And I might get a hot matcha for myself.
It's called Latte Kyoto. Right, what do we have?
Mix.
Mix. It's vanilla and matcha. And then the limited time sakura. And then a hot matcha latte.
400 yen. Alright.
I don't know, it's definitely different than like what we have. Yeah.
Ooh, that's floral.
Like good
What if
floral.
they actually make it with sakura, like flower? Because you know how they make the rose petals?
Yeah.
Vanilla floral.
Have you ever tried anything like this?
I mean, sakura flavored stuff just tastes like vanilla to me. But this has a hint of an aftertaste. Here, you try it. Here, mix. That's some good creamy matcha. That's a vanilla. It's like rich and creamy. That's good. Yeah, it's hot. It's like bitter matcha. Yeah. Insanely cheap.
Oh.
Okay. The lemon candies.
I see what you mean.
I know. It has a floral aftertaste.
It's very different than any other like sakura flavor we've had. We are heading into the shrine.
Fushimi Inari, 1,000 gates of Tori.
Hopefully it won't be like too crowded for pictures, but we'll see.
See?
And we're probably not gonna go like all the way and finish the hike because that's gonna take like 2 to 3 hours. So yeah, let's go. Oh, there are lockers here.
Oh, I could have brought my wheel and moved up here.
I wonder if this one's more expensive though.
Probably.
400 yen is for up to 3 days.
That's so cheap.
There's tons of different charms up here.
Oh, we could also get like
I need traffic safety. Driving in the ATL.
Cool.
Safe trip. Wishes. Happiness. Looks like we're hiking up now.
oh my gosh, the red one wasn't here.
Oh yeah,
They added it.
yeah, they did.
It started with the
Photo
second
spot
one.
for the Tories. Just up the path.
No other tours.
No tourists, very quiet. It's a pretty good photo spot, especially with the sun out right now.
Okay, we are about to exit, but we're probably gonna stop by this little bridge right there for a photo. Oh, there are not that many leaves on the trees actually.
Alright, so in one of the gift shops, I bought a small size triangles. This will look nice on somewhere in our house, and it can stand up on its own. And then I also
Cute.
got a magnet. I was looking at the magnets, and I like this one worse.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, it has all like the iconic spots in Kyoto. sauna we're gonna go to.
Mm.
What'd you get?
And I got this little Torii Gate magnet that has a bell on it. Alright, we just got done at Fushimi Inari, and man, is it crowded.
Yep, as expected, it's become a real tourist spot. Tons of tour groups waving their flags, but I think if you can find the good photo spot that we were at and browse on the gift shops, and maybe, I don't know if it's helpful to go early or go later.
Yeah.
But I mean, it's definitely a cool experience, but I also know you can get the same thing elsewhere in Japan where there's like thousands of torii gates lined up too. If you just do your research. So if you're here and you really must do it, then yeah, sure, go for it. Right?
Yeah.
Just be prepared to embrace some crowds.
Just know that it's hard to get like the photos you see on Instagram because it's literally just like packed as you're walking in the Torii gates. Unless you probably like walk further in, then it's probably quieter. But we did not go in that far just because we're running short on time.
Yep.
But yeah,
All right, on to the next
on to
adventure.
the next one.